Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to open a CSV file on Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets and sign in if necessary. Click on the blank spreadsheet option to open a new sheet. Click on File in the top menu. Select Import from the drop-down menu. In the Import File window, choose the Upload tab. Drag and drop your CSV file into the window or click Browse to select the file. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see options for how to import the data. Choose Replace Current Sheet if you want the data to replace the existing content, or select other options based on your needs. Click Import Data to finalize. Your CSV data will now be visible in Google Sheets. Sometimes it takes some time to display the data. Now you can edit, format, and analyze the data as needed. That's it. Your CSV file is now open in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.